Destination number 3, unlisted YouTube video. Yahoo! Well done, everybody. So if you've followed all the clues so far, you've gotten a new leprechaun name. You've told me what it is for a chance at a prize. You took a shamrock selfie, a selfie of yourself with something green, and you posted that for a chance at a prize. And you've had a few minutes to check out my Facebook feed and my Instagram feed, and I hope that you liked what you saw there and that you'll follow me in both of those places, as well as following me here on YouTube. You found your way here. I post a YouTube video every Sunday. Stampin' Sunday is what I call it, with tips and tricks and tutorials and fancy folds and how to use all the different tools that Stampin' Up has. And I would just love for you to subscribe to me here on YouTube. And then you can join me every week for Stampin' Sunday and learn all about our fabulous products and the techniques that you can use. Now, while you're here, I want to show you one of my very favorite things about Stampin' Up products, which is the awesome color coordination that they offer. So right here, I've got some soft succulent products, and look at how the cardstock matches the designer series paper, which matches the ink pad, which matches the ribbon, which matches the blends. Now, this is one of the very first things that I fell in love with about Stampin' Up products, and still, to this day, every time I am crafting with their products, I still love it, and I'm still thankful for it every time I'm crafting, because it means I don't have to spend time searching up and down the aisles of the big box stores, looking for the right color and trying to match what I've already been working with. And no, I can skip all that. I can just get right down to the crafting. I can sit down with these products and start creating with them and know that the finished product is going to look amazing and make me look like I'm a master crafter. And that's a wonderful, wonderful feeling. And I want you to have that too. So that's why I share the love of Stampin' Up wherever I go. Now, as you can see, I've put together a lovely monochromatic card with these soft succulent products, and I have 2 pieces of good news for you, okay? So first, number 1, you could win this card by sharing a comment below, okay? It's that easy. Share a comment below for a chance to win this card. And the second piece of good news for you is that there is a free PDF tutorial with all the instructions and all the measurements and all the steps and color photos and links to the products and everything you could ever possibly need to recreate this card. And that link is in the video description. That's a free gift just for joining me today, okay? Here's what I want you to leave a comment about. These are all the shades of green in Stampin' Up's current color collection. There's a lot of them. I mean, green is such a beautiful color. So have a look at these, and I want you to tell me which is your favorite. Now, if you can't narrow it down to one, that's okay. Neither can I. So tell me your top 2 or your top 3 or your top 5 or whatever it's going to take, okay? Drop me that comment for a chance to win this lovely card. Final notes before I send you on to the next destination, which is where you're gonna get your pot of gold. Okay, comment below about your favorite shade of green for a chance to win this card. Check the video description for the link to download the PDF tutorial to make this card yourself. And pretty please subscribe to me on YouTube so you can join me every Stampin' Sunday for more videos and more learning and more fun. Okay? Now it's time for you to hop on over to the last destination. And once you make it to that final stop, that's where you're going to get your metaphorical pot of gold. Okay? So hop on over to my tutorial shop. Hint, links.inkyfingers.ca, and check out the very latest tutorial. And one more thing, you might find it handy to have those codes you've been collecting. Now where did I leave that last code? Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye.